Juggling parenting across two households can feel like a constant juggling act, but there's a tool that can simplify it all. Today, we're diving into Widgetable, your ultimate co-parenting companion, and showing you exactly how to harness its power. First, let's set up your shared calendar. Tap the plus icon and select calendar. You can create distinct events for each household or shared family time. Think school events, appointments, or even just dedicated fun days. When adding an event, you'll see options to invite your co-parent once they accept. Any changes you make, like rescheduling a doctor's appointment, will be instantly reflected on both your calendars. Communication is key, and Widgetable's built-in chat makes it a breeze. Navigate to the chat tab here. You can send quick messages, share updates, and discuss your child's day without cluttering your personal inboxes. Need to share a school report or a photo? Use the attachment feature to send documents and images directly within the app, keeping all important information consolidated. Organization is another superpower of Widgetable. Head to the tasks section. You can create shared to-do lists for things like packing for visits, school projects, or even grocery shopping for both homes. Assign tasks to yourself or your co-parent, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Once a task is completed, you can simply mark it off, providing clear visibility on progress. And don't forget the notes feature for quick reminders or important contact information. A shared grocery list for both households. A reminder for a specific medication. It all goes in here. By leveraging these powerful features, Widgetable transforms co-parenting from a challenge into a collaborative effort, bringing clarity and peace of mind to your shared family life.